lot of interesting things in the night sky get the people excited to go out for stargazing. And comet is one of those things that we all love to observe, and especially if it is a naked eye comet. Now what if I tell you that right now you can go outside with a telescope or a pair of binoculars to watch one of the best comets so far in 2024. It is one of the brightest known periodic comets, reaching an absolute visual magnitude of 5 when it will pass closest to the Sun. This is the Universe Factory, and this video is everything that you need to know about this comet. Before that, do subscribe to the Universe Factory followed by pressing that bell icon next to it so that you won't miss out any future updates about astronomy. Do follow us on social media platforms. Make sure to check out their links in the description down below. Now without any more delay, let's dive into today's video about this comet. Also stick around till the end of the video. We'll be talking how and when to spot this comet in the night sky. It's going to be super interesting. Let's begin. There are three major visible components of any comet whenever you see them. The first and the only part that is constantly visible is the comet nucleus. This is the central part of the comet and the only part that is solid. It consists of varying proportions of rock, dust, ice and gas that give comet their dirty snowball reputation. On April 21st, Comet 12P Pons-Brooks or Devil Comet will make its closest pass to the Sun. Naturally, it will be at its brightest in the night sky. This one is a periodic comet with orbital period of around 71 years. Discovered back in 1812, this comet may have been observed and studied since ancient times. So here is how and when to watch this naked eye comet. For those of us who live in the northern hemisphere, mid-March to mid-April is the best time to go out and see this comet. You will find it above the western horizon after the sunset. Not sure how and where to spot it exactly? Check out some of the best space apps mentioned in the description down below. These apps are super easy to use and will be helpful to find celestial bodies easily in the night sky. Now when I was creating this video, the comet was located near constellation Cetus above the western horizon after the sunset. Previously it used to look like a small blurry cloud, but with the help of telescope or a good pair of binoculars, you could even get to see a faint tail. Now around the mid-April it was visible to the naked eye as a small fuzzy spot. On its closest approach to the Sun on 21st April, you will find the comet sitting near constellation Taurus. It was visible in the middle of the day during the Great American Total Solar Eclipse that took place on 8th April. Comment down if you enjoyed this rare eclipse and also let us know if you could observe this comet. Now for those of us who live in the southern hemisphere, from late March the comet began to move above the horizon. But it was constantly near the horizon, so the best spots to observe it were from the high elevation points. It will be found in the constellation Taurus about an hour later after sunset, which will be the excellent time to watch it on its closest approach on 21st April. Stargazers in the southern hemisphere will continue to enjoy this comet until it gets dimmer and dimmer till its closest approach to the Earth on 2nd June. The comets are rare and unpredictable, so go out and don't miss the chance to watch this comet. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you got to learn something interesting from it. Like and share this video with everyone and let them also enjoy the visit of this beautiful celestial wanderer. Subscribe to the Universe Factory and press the bell icon next to it to get notified for our latest updates and happenings in the world of astronomy. If you are able to go out, observe and image the Comet 12P Pons-Brooks, be sure to let everyone know your experience in the comments section down below. If you got the chance to image the Great American Total Solar Eclipse or this Devil Comet, share your best images with us and get a chance to get featured here on YouTube and on the social media channels. If you somehow missed the chance to watch the Great American Total Solar Eclipse last week, or how the Cigar Galaxy looks like through the Webb telescope lens, make sure to watch these suggested videos. That's it for today, and we'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Till then, keep looking up.